Hey, I got shooters everywhere. That shit that's so crazy. I can go like anywhere. I got OGs crazy. Pull up choppers everywhere. We got pound bags everywhere. Just come and go, no bus fare. And I just talk like, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Know they told your guardians that I'm the one that is sparking. They go got them barking.
LA back on them bricks again. They say that boy been having pounds. He don't really do the spin. I'm still serving.
What is happening, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I am going to be doing a quick little update on the turbo kit giveaway for the 370Z. It'll pretty much work for every VHR if you have a G37, Q50. You might have to do a little bit of modifying if it's not a 370 to the cold side piping, but we'll get into that in just a second. That being said, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, do all that good shit. We got a bunch of dope stuff coming soon. But as for the turbo kit, I initially had about 150 to 200 people message me wanting to get in on the raffle for it. So basically what's coming with the kit, if you have not seen this yet or if you're new to the channel, I am giving away my turbo kit for my 370Z. It's coming with the Garrett 6465 turbo, 1400cc injectors, fuel pump, all the piping, intercooler, blow-off valves, wastegate, you name it. It is literally a 700 wheel horsepower proven setup that you can win for $100. So I had 1 million people message me out the gate. I don't know if people slow down when they actually had to put money up or something, but I've got about a quarter of the spots filled. We're doing 120 spots. So if you guys are interested, you can either cash at me, Venmo me, and then all you have to do is DM me on Instagram, let me know which option you'd prefer to do, and send me your cell phone number. So I'm going to be calling the winner on the phone and then videotaping it for another video as well once I am giving it away. I am so hyped for someone to win this because if you think about it, this costs like 10 to 12 grand, maybe a little bit more all said and done with labor to do it yourself. Someone is literally going to win a 700 horsepower turbo kit for $100. Like, that's it. If you're from out of town, you'll have to pay for shipping unless you want to meet somewhere. We can try to deliver it to you if you're nearby somewhat. But other than that, I'll pop the hood on the Z real quick, show you what it looks like if you haven't seen it before. So it is a top mount kit. Like I said, it's a Garrett 6465 turbo. That sucker's rated for 900 wheel horsepower. If you guys are wondering why I'm getting rid of this, all I'm doing is I'm just going bigger. This kit is easily capable of making 600 plus wheel horsepower in a stock motor. I ran it for a while, but I am building the motor and I'm trying to make over 1,000 horsepower. So getting rid of the turbo, going bigger piping for myself, and it's probably going to break a lot when I'm trying to push this much power through it because making over 1,000 is a little bit difficult on VQs, at least keeping the heads down. That being said, guys, this kit is going to be in someone's hands for $100 soon. Like I said, I got about a quarter of the spots filled, so if you guys are interested, send me a message on Instagram at SheWantsTheZ, and we're going to get this thing going. Hopefully we can get the spots filled up within the next month, month and a half, and I can get this kit going and underway, and this is going to be funding my build for everything that's here to come. At least putting a portion to it. It's going to cost a lot more than what I'm getting out of this. But other than that, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, if you are interested, do not hesitate hitting me up. I have another video on the channel about this if you guys have more in-depth questions. But hit me up. We'll get this shit figured out, and someone's going to be a very happy camper at the end of this. But other than that, guys, I appreciate you watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, get all that shit done, and I will see you in the next video.